I want to tell you quickly of the things that are sitting inside this spice strip box. This box will be sent to you via the Indian Mart. So I'm going to take you through what sits inside the box. So you get two types of dal. One is moong dal, which is split mung beans. Then you get masoor dal, or that is red split lentils. You get two types of pre-mixed spices, that is butter chicken mix and dal makhani. These are ready to eat. All you need to do is add chicken. In this case, if you don't eat chicken, then paneer, and in this case you can just literally add some lentils and you get this. Then you have the ginger garlic paste, which is literally like the fundamental for a lot of Indian dishes. You have cumin powder, you have garam masala, you have cumin spice, cumin seeds, you have chili powder, then you have turmeric powder, coriander powder, the spice which a lot of people don't know, but it's a really important Indian spice, that is known as a fatida or hing or duivelvlek in Dutch. And then you have this amazing dried mango powder, which is just perfect on cucumbers or watermelon if you want to have another taste, or sprinkle it on your salads. Oh, we have dried red chili, chaat masala, which is again another amazing spice, which is sprinkled just a little bit on your yogurt mixed with cucumber, and you can make a raita out of chaat masala. Curry leaves, which is absolutely important for most South Indian dishes. Black pepper, whole black pepper. You have tandoori masala, black or brown mustard seeds, and finally comes aam ka achar or mango pickle. Now this is something which we eat with a roti or a flatbread like naan, roti, paratha with dal or a curry and a little bit of the mango. And you get 3 of my recipes. You get these recipes, these spices, and you're really stocked up for a good 1 year for most Indian cooking. So if you want to know the details of how to get the box, check the description box and order yours today.